Hey, welcome back to my channel. Please do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. New Balance XC-72. Classic New Balance, gray, gray box. Check these out. I decided to go with this colorway, burgundy, suede, and orange. Very aggressive and very interesting looking sneaker. These come with extra laces, something that I never saw being mentioned on the other reviews. Flat laces, which I'm not ever going to use. Also going to replace these. A bit of a disclaimer, it says that this suede can bleed, and the inside material here, this shitty ass felt material, can get dirty immediately. So to me, these are a bit of a continuation of the 327. I'm obsessed with the sneaker. You know, I cannot keep a sneaker stock. Let me show you what I did. First of all, I have removed the N, and another big change is here in the back, where this material is kind of useless. Rope laces with black and orange, which fit extremely well on these. I know there are some threads here still in the material, and that's because New Balance decided to do this as a double layer. When these came out, people lost their mind, saying this outsole coming over the sneaker like this is very unusual and very extreme, and some other bullshit. But you know, it's not really, because look at these Commanda from Adidas, and these came out about 2-3 years ago. Also look at these, the Sobakov. So that's another proof you cannot really be that original in this fashion industry. I really like these a lot. So this is that part of the video where I give you my opinions, things I like, the things I don't like about these. But I'm actually going to start with some observations. This outsole that goes over the toe box is aggressive enough. So in my opinion, I think these would have looked even more nice if these two halves would have been the same. I think this should have been symmetrical. The other thing I think would have made this even more nice, if these pieces of suede would have gone up, all the way up, from the toe box until the laces. This tongue should have gone all the way to the toe box here, but there's an interruption in color. As you can see, the color is interrupted here. I have swapped the laces, but I think it's mandatory that these come with rope laces. These would look even better if this midsole outsole situation here would have been curved. So now let me tell you about the things I really don't like. This tongue. This is just a thin piece of foam, some very cheap ass looking tongue. Another thing I have noticed, they try to do this thing with the split design here, but when walking, these two halves are actually touching each other. So in my opinion, they should have made this space bigger. Another thing I have noticed, and I don't really like, is this midsole. Even though it's nice, it gathers dust very fast. Physically, you can see this turning a bit black. The final thing, of course, this suede bleeds like hell. So these are the main things I don't like about them. Let me get into the things I really like. First thing, of course, the price, 66 euros if I remember correctly. The second thing, they are really sick. I can honestly say this is probably my new favorite sneaker. They are surprisingly comfortable. If you watch my videos, you know I really like the creases on a midsole. And the final thing, even with my observations about the design, I really like them. So please keep your shitty ass Jordan 1s and the Dunks and give me all these. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.